Hey there! Today I have another Amazon Prime wardrobe unboxing for you. Well, I guess this time it's an unbagging. If you're not familiar with Amazon Prime wardrobe, it's a fairly new service that's available to Amazon Prime users and that allows you to try before you buy. So I'll put some information in the description box about how the service works. I'll also link up one of my previous videos. Just an FYI, this might not be the most exciting Amazon Prime wardrobe unbagging just because I ordered 8 pairs of pants and I've been on the hunt for a new pair of work pants. And my last 2 Stitch Fix boxes, I got these very nice work pants that were pull-on and very flattering by the brand Margaret M. But I tried the small and the medium and both sizes didn't work for me. And they were also pretty pricey. I think one was $78, the other was $98. So I thought I'd just look on Amazon's website and see if they had any similar work pants that I could try. There's a range of pricing from $39 to I think the most expensive is $68. And so the brands that I ordered were Tribal, Lark and Row, which is one of Amazon's brands, and also a brand I've never heard of called Slimsation. But I like the sound of that name, so let's give it a try. Okay, so here are all my pants. So I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out of the plastic and then we'll try everything on and then we'll see how everything worked out. Okay, so I've tried everything on and now let's go over everything. So first I'll go over the 3 pants from Tribal. Okay, so Tribal is a Canadian company, it looks like. So these 2 were made in Canada, but one of them I noticed was made in China. Okay, so the first of the Tribal pants that I tried were these gray ones, and this is the Tribal Women's Pull-On Ankle Pant, and it was $59. You know, these were okay. I didn't find them the most flattering, and maybe it's the color. Also, I noticed the fabric seemed a little more wrinkly than the other 2. So let's see, these are 76% rayon, 21% nylon, 3% spandex. And they are just pull-on, and they do have like a slit here at the bottom, and they were a little long for me, but I am 5'1", so most times when I order pants they are a little long, and these are supposedly ankle pants. So it's totally flat in the front, and then in the back you have pockets, and these are not real pockets, these are just faux pockets, I guess. And it does have a pretty thick elastic waist. Next are the Tribal Women's Flatten It Pull-On Ankle Pants. So these are also ankle pants. These had a slightly different feel. I think they weren't as narrow somehow. These are 76% rayon, 21% nylon, and 3% spandex. But this one is $68, so they're slightly more expensive. They're $9 more. But yeah, I thought these somehow were more flattering. And this particular one is actually made in Canada. The other one was made in China. Yeah, I think this one actually felt a little nicer. I thought they were pretty flattering. And this is in the color ink. Okay, lastly from Tribal, I got these women's pull-on ankle pants. So I guess it's same as the other one, except this one actually is made in Canada. So 2 of the Tribals were made in Canada, and 1 was made in China. So this one I thought had kind of a fun print. It's like a checker. You can see it really close. And it's $59. I got the size 6. And yeah, I actually kind of like these. I thought they were kind of fun. And 76% rayon, 21% nylon, 3% spandex. I think that's pretty much what the other ones were. And pull on. And it's machine washable. I think they're all machine washable. And it does have a pretty stretchy elastic band. So yeah, pretty cute. I mean, I'm actually considering keeping these because these are different. Okay, so next I also ordered a couple pants from the brand Slimsation. And I've actually never heard of this brand. Flexible tummy control panel, smooths and slims, tummy, thighs, and rear. Perfect custom fit with shape recovery technology. Reduce tummy bulge, drop 1 size instantly. Slimsation. Okay, so I got a navy one, and this is in the color Midnight. And it's $69, so these are not cheap. These are the same price as the more expensive Tribal. And this is the narrow leg pant. So it's the Slimsation wide band pull-on straight leg pant with tummy control. And these are 76% rayon, 21% nylon, and 3% spandex. So this is the exact same fabric as these. It's the same. I actually did think these were pretty flattering. You know, again, it's pull-on with the very wide elastic band. And these have like faux front pockets. And they don't have faux back pockets, so they have kind of like a panel in the back. So to me, I think the fit didn't seem as tight somehow. But they were still pretty nice. I thought they were. And also here's the gray color. So this is a dark gray. So the other one I tried with Tribal was like a light gray. This color was nicer. And you can see better how the cut is. It does have this panel here, and it has like the pockets, the fake pockets in the front. Yeah, and I think this is actually a very nice color. Okay, so this is the color Charcoal, and actually this one is a little cheaper. It's $49.99. So that's one thing with Amazon, you know, depending on what color you get, what size, sometimes the price could vary. Okay, lastly I ordered 3 pants from Larkin Row, which is one of Amazon's own brands. Okay, and they had a lot of different types of pants, but I just got the ones, well, 2 of them were the pull-on type, and those were the comfort fit. So the first one is the Larkin Row Women's Slim Leg Stretch Pant in the comfort fit. Okay, and this one is only $39, so that's actually a lot cheaper than the other ones. So this one is 77% viscose, 20% nylon, and 3% elasticine. So it's not the same, and it is machine washable. I thought they were okay. You know, they were definitely too long for me. I thought they kind of bunched up on me funny though, you know, to be honest. So what was nice about the Larkin Row, they did have different lengths. So I got the 6 short, but of course it was still too long for me. And I got these in black. Okay, next I tried another pair of black pants. I think with the Larkin Row, they didn't have a lot of color selection, to be honest. These were the women's barely boot cut stretch pant with the comfort fit, so again, pull on, and size 6 short, and these are also $39. So these are, actually, I kind of like these. I don't have, you know, I haven't been buying boot cut pants recently. I've been buying more like skinnies, you know. But the thing about the boot cut is, like, you know, when you wear heels, it can cover your, so you can go longer, and I think it does make you look taller. So if that makes sense. Yeah, so okay, this is what the comfort fit just says, just FYI. Pull-on style that sits at the waist with a power mesh tummy panel for a super smooth look. Stretch and recover fabric, adjustable comfort waist, tailored pockets and seams, figure flattering design. Barely boot cut. Actually, you know what? These are some really nice pants. So you'll see in the front, it's pretty plain. And in the back, it does have pockets, and these are fake pockets. And the fabric is the same as the other one. It's 77% viscose, 20% nylon, 3% elastic, and it is machine washable. I think, honestly, the Tribals feel a little bit nicer than these, but they're very similar. Similar, but those feel nicer. But I think, you know, for the price, I might just keep these. Yeah, I think these are pretty nice pants, actually. Okay, lastly, I got, this is the only one that wasn't pull-on. And these are kind of like palazzo pants. They're the Larkin Row Women's Patch Pocket Front Pant. So you'll see they have like these patch pockets. And they have a wide leg, as you see. They're kind of a crepey material. They're actually 100% polyester, and it does say machine wash. I got the size 6. They didn't have length, so I couldn't get 6 short. It was just too big. I got a size 6, and it was definitely too roomy, so I could size down. I think some of these, like the Larkin Row, tends to run a little on the big side. I'm debating. I kind of like these. I kind of like the style. And it's just high-waisted, and you can just wear like a shirt tucked in, and I think it's cute. Right now, the price is $59.50 for these pants. So if I were to probably send these back and get the size 4, oh, if I get the size 4, it's $15.81. Wow, that's a big difference. I'm just gonna get it. Huh. Okay, so just FYI, these pants, if you get them in a size 6 currently, are $59. If I were to just size down and get the 4, they're $15. Okay, I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna buy it. Okay, so that's all I have for today. It was kind of a marathon of trying on different pants, and I hope it was somewhat informative. And if you're looking for pants, I actually think that Amazon might be a good way to go, especially if you can do Prime Wardrobe, where you can just try on, say, 8 pairs of different pants, and at least some of them are supposed to work, right? So I definitely think I really like these. These are from Tribal. I'm kind of on the fence about these. These are the Slim Station pants. So I'm gonna do a little more research on these. And I also kind of like these boot cut pants. I'm gonna maybe give these a try too. And these are only $39 from Larkin Row. Okay, so that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls, unboxing videos, and I'm hopefully can come up with some more ideas of other things to do. But if you enjoy this kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.